Have you ever made a wish on a shooting star? It feels magical, doesn't it? A silent shimmer of luck just for you. But what if I told you that magic is actually a violent hypersonic car crash happening right above your head? Every year, Earth is bombarded by tons of space debris. Yet, instead of running for cover, we grab lawn chairs and watch. But here's the shocking truth. Most of these stars are no bigger than a grain of sand. So, how does a speck of dust create a light show visible from hundreds of miles away? And here is the burning question we need to answer today. If Earth is constantly flying through fields of space rocks at 100,000 miles per hour, are we actually safe? Or is it only a matter of time before the sky falling isn't just a metaphor? Buckle up. We're going for a ride through the cosmos. To understand the fire, we have to start with the ice. Meet the parent. Usually, it's a comet, a dirty cosmic snowball. When this snowball swings past the sun, it starts to melt. It sizzles. It cracks. And as it travels, it leaves a trail of breadcrumbs behind it. This isn't just dust. It's a minefield. This trail of debris stays there, floating in the dark, waiting. Now, picture Earth as a race car. We are speeding around the sun at 67,000 miles per hour, and once or twice a year, our racetrack intersects with that river of debris. It's exactly like driving your car through a swarm of bugs on the highway. The bugs are the meteoroids. The windshield? That's our atmosphere. Here is the science of the glow. When that space rock hits our air, it's moving so fast that it compresses the gas in front of it like a piston. This creates intense, blistering heat, thousands of degrees. The rock can't handle the heat. It vaporizes. Poof. That flash of light as it screams and dies, that is the meteor. That is your shooting star. And because we slam into this debris stream from a specific angle, all the meteors look like they are coming from the same spot in the sky, like a warp speed effect. We name the shower after the constellation behind that spot. The Perseids, the Geminids, the Leonids, they are just signposts on our highway through the debris. So back to that burning question. If we are driving through a minefield of space rocks, why aren't we getting hit? The truth is, the atmosphere is the ultimate shield. It burns up 99% of everything that tries to get in. That grain of sand? Vaporized. A pebble? Gone. However, sometimes the rock isn't a pebble. Sometimes it's a boulder. Those bright fireballs you see that cast shadows, those are the survivors fighting to reach the ground. If they make it, we call them meteorites. But don't worry. The chances of you being struck by a meteorite are about 1 in 1.6 million. You're more likely to win the lottery twice. So, the next time you see a meteor shower, remember, you aren't just looking at pretty lights. You are witnessing Earth's atmosphere protecting you, battling against ancient space dust left behind by a ghost comet billions of miles away. It's violent, it's chaotic, and it is absolutely beautiful. If you want to know which major meteor shower is coming up next, so you don't miss the show, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got a calendar in the description below. Keep looking up.